So this is Abloy 221, which is an executive profile. No holes here or here tell us that we can't take this lock apart, which means I can't monkey with it. But it also means no gut shots, I'm afraid. It's locked up. There it is, unlocked. There's the bitting and the key, not that we'll be needing that. Obligatory tool hiding section coming up. And let's try and pick this lock. Now, one of the key points about this tool, this is the 4th out of 7 prototypes that I'm still yet to put together for this lock. And one of the big things is I can go both clockwise and anti-clockwise when I'm manipulating discs, which means when you get a binder you can give it a wiggle and you'll soon tell whether you get to the right gate. There we go. So not only does it help with feedback, but if you overset something, you can just bring it back again, and I can go both in and back out of the lock without disturbing already set discs, which again is pretty important when you're picking Abloy. It's binding. Oh, there we go. Lock is open.